Now, this says log base 6 of x plus 5 plus log base 6 of x equals 2. I need to bring these two together. So this says that log base 6 of x times x plus 5, using the properties of logs, equals 2. So your log formula sheet will come in very handy. So this is property 1 of the properties of logarithms. Now I'm going to rewrite so that 6 squared is equal to the argument. So x times x plus 5 is 6 squared. Now I have an equation. Remove parentheses. X squared plus 5x equals 36. Quadratic, bring everything to the same side. 0 on the other. So now I'm going to factor and solve. So if I have x squared plus 5x minus 36 equals 0, this factors x, 9, 4, plus minus. So x is 4, x is negative 9. And I come back up here. If I put 4 in, 4 plus 5 is 9, no problem. Log base 6 of 4, no problem. Negative 5, negative 9. Negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. Can't take the log of a negative number. So this guy gets tossed. Cool. Same idea. These two get brought together. Property 1 would say that log base 2 of x plus 1 times x minus 1 equals 3. Rewrite 2 to the 3 is equal to the argument. That's why if you can't rewrite it into exponential notation, this test will hurt you on this test. Now clear parentheses, x squared minus 1 equals, oh, isn't this cute, 8. Bring everything to the same side, 0 on the other, subtract 8. X squared minus 9 equals 0. Factor and solve. So if you have x squared minus 9 equals 0, that's the difference of squares. X minus 3, x plus 3 equals 0. X is 3, x is negative 3. And I go back up and check. If I put 3 in, 3 plus 1 positive, or 3 minus 1 positive, 3 plus 1 positive, no problem. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 1, negative number, that won't work.
So negatives never work?
Negatives can work. Negatives can work. But what you want to be able to do is if you put that negative number in, you end up with a positive quantity.
Are there going to be negatives that work on the test?
Could be. I don't know. I can tell you more on Monday. Even though the test is written, I just don't remember. Last problem of the semester. Last problem of the packet. Last problem, and one that you're not going to like. That's a subtraction, and what's a subtraction turn into? Division. So that says this becomes log base 4, and now I'm going to put brackets in because this is going to be a division. Numerator, denominator, equals 1. So that was property 3 in our note packet. In my mind, it will always be property 2. Now we rewrite, it's just the same thing we've always done. 4 to the 1 equals the argument. So x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals 4 to the 1, which is 4. Now what do I do? Do I do?
Move the 4.
I can't move the 4. What do I do?
Divide by x minus 1.
Clear the denominator. It's a fraction, right? What do we always do? Clear denominators. That was your second guess. X minus 1's go. This says that x plus 2 equals 4 times x minus 1. X plus 2 equals 4x minus 4. Bring your x's to one side, your numbers to the other, so subtract 4x from both sides. Minus 3x plus 2 equals minus, oh, is this not cute? Minus 2 minus 3x equals minus 6, or x equals, that is just adorable. 2 plus 2, positive. 2 minus 1, positive. Doesn't create a problem. Cool.
But you said they're not gonna like it.
Well, you guys don't tend to like equations with fractions. This one in particular.